Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can edit the components of your compound clip in CapCut PC. So for instance, I have this video here and I went to adjustments. Actually, I'm just going to add in some effects here, like on top, like this sleek one. And maybe like a filter on top as well, and maybe like a text to really show you what I mean. Okay, clouds. So I selected everything, right click, create compound clip. So I want to edit the components inside of the clip that I just created. You are just going to select the clip and you're going to double click on it. And as you can see, here is where you can edit what's inside of the compound clip. You used to can't do this. You are used to not be able to doing it. I don't know the proper grammar for it, but now you can do it. So if you want to go back to the main track, just select the arrow here. And again, if you want to edit the compound clip, you're going to double click on it. And that is it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!